welcome. Today is mid-March 2025, and we are driving from Theberton to Eastbridge. This area has taken a particularly bad beating, with very little in the way of vegetation left in the ground. Just to remind you, we are in an area of outstanding natural beauty. Can you believe? This country lane takes you to the UK's flagship RSPB Minsmere, one of Europe's most successful bird nature reserves. Terrace fencing, here, there and everywhere. Any wildlife left can no longer freely move about. Terrace fencing runs the entire length of the lane up to here. Maybe you could be mistaken that you're at a zoo with the miles of terrace fencing. We're now in the pretty village of Eastbridge. To your right is the Eel's Foot pub, well known for being the local hangout during the recording of BBC Spring Watch. All the crew signed the ceiling of the pub during recording the TV show. Sadly, I doubt they'll return during the Sizewell build.